Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tikz. So now we are going to deal with drawing shapes, and in this episode I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle, ellipse, curve and circle. If you've been following this series, you probably know how to draw line. So draw, first coordinate point 0.0, double minus and 12,3. Don't forget semicolon. Save it, and we have our line. Now in order to create curve out of this line, we are going to remove this double minus sign. So we are going to create double dots after our line is started, then double dot before ending coordinate, and in between type controls and coordinate for control point. Control point, it's kind of a gravity location. So if we create control point at this position, that means that our line is going to create curve towards that position. So now I'm going to say something like 5 on x-axis and minus 3 on y-axis. Save it, and you see now we have our curve. But now, not only that we could provide one control point, we could provide multiple control points with command and provide second control point like this. So let's say 6 on x-axis and let's say 4 on y-axis. Save it, and you see now we have completely different shape, because we have one control point in here and another control point in here. So okay, remove this curve. Now I'm going to show you how to create rectangle. So draw. I'm also going to use line width of 0.5 millimeter, and I'm going to give control, and I'm going to make starting point at 2,2, and then type rectangle. First we are going to provide a length, so 4 centimeters on x-axis, and height, let's say 3 centimeters on y-axis. Save it, and we have our rectangle. And now let me show you how to draw circle. So now we are going to provide starting point, let's say 5,5, circle command, and in second pair of brackets we are going to provide radius, so 3 centimeters. Save it, and here is our circle. And finally, with ellipse, just provide ellipse command, and now we have to provide two numbers. First number, it's radius on x-axis, and another it's actual radius on y-axis, like this. Save it. Sorry, it's not comma, it's and. Save it again, and yes, we have our ellipse. So guys, this is all for this episode. I hope that you like this content, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!